In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini with Bard chatbot. By the end, you'll know how to open your Gemini account, enter prompts with text or voice, see Gemini generate responses, and even add images to enrich your requests. First, open your Gemini account. Head to the official Gemini page in your browser and sign in so you're on the main chat screen. You'll see a clean interface with a conversation area and a prompt box at the bottom. If you've used Bard before, this will feel familiar. Gemini is the evolution of that experience. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so your prompts and responses load smoothly. Next, this is where you can enter your prompts. Click into the prompt box and type what you need as clearly as possible. A helpful approach is to be specific about your goal and provide any context up front. For example, instead of writing "help with travel," try "plan a 3-day itinerary for a coastal city with budget-friendly food options." You can also guide the style and length, like "keep it concise" or "explain step by step." If your request involves multiple parts, write them in full sentences so Gemini understands the sequence. You can also use the microphone. Look for the mic icon near the prompt box, click it, and grant your browser permission to use your microphone if asked. Speak clearly at a steady pace and include punctuation cues naturally by pausing where you'd expect a comma or a period. When you finish speaking, review the transcribed text to make sure it captured your intent, then send it. Once you're done with your prompts, Gemini will generate a response in the chat. Give it a moment to think. Read the result carefully to confirm it addresses your request. If something is off or needs more detail, adjust your wording and ask again. We call that refining the prompt. You can ask follow-up questions in the same thread to keep the context. You can also add images. Look for the image option near the prompt box, then upload a clear, relevant picture. Along with the image, include a short description of what you want, such as "summarize the text in this photo," or "analyze this chart's key trend." High-quality, well-lit images work best. Avoid uploading anything sensitive or private. From here, feel free to explore this. Try different prompt styles, compare short and long instructions, and notice how Gemini adapts. With these basics, opening your account, entering prompts, using voice, reviewing responses, and adding images, you're ready to get the most out of Gemini.